So on today's show, Chris, talk us through what you're at today now. Hey, Carlos. Where have you been?
Get your hand out of your pants, boy.
Why have you always got your hand in your pants?
It's
So,
weird. Like.
Happy to see you guys. Are you happy Cathal's back on the show, Chris?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I missed the hair.
Right.
You're Mr. Hair. Some guy commented on the video asking, can what was it? Can he fart?
Fart on me.
He wants to fart on Chris.
He wants to fart, Chris.
Yeah.
Who is he?
Why do you want to fart on me?
Ask him.
Huh? Why do you want to fart on me? Weird.
What are you doing, Chris?
What's it look like? I'm making a bloody souffle?
What kind of souffle is it?
Doing this engine, it feels like it's taken God knows how long.
God, you're a...
Floopy flap.
Cathal, talk us through the episode. What are we doing tonight? Where were you? Were you back?
Tell us about your holiday.
Tell the punters about your holiday. Was it good?
Yeah.
Did you go to church?
Yeah, many churches.
So on today's show, Chris, talk us through what you're at today now.
What the
So Chris, talk us through what you're doing here today with the Barra.
I'm pulling the tensioner off the timing chain.
Right, did you notice my accents came back in the last episode, Cathal?
Came back for drama reasons, Cathal.
Chris, you know what you haven't told us in a while? A little factual story about your childhood and, you know, when we heard a story about brackets and other things and rotaries. Go and tell us another story about timing chains.
Long ago,
Go on.
long ago,
In the old country. God, this is actually the worst story you've ever told because you can't even tell it.
a timing chain story.
Yeah.
There was this one time that had a Nissan Micra and the top chain had broken. And I thought, well, instead of stripping the whole thing apart, I'll try and change the timing chain while it's still in the car.
Is this actually a real story?
Yeah.
You know, real stories aren't funny at all.
Oh. Remember we used to talk like pirates and work?
No, we never did.
We did.
Go on.
We did. We talked like pirates all day.
Did you ever talk like a pirate and work with him?
I didn't even work with him.
Chris never worked.
You're Australian, boy. You foreigners just come here to bum off the system.
Jesus.
Well, if I'm going to come to a country to bum off a system, I wouldn't be here.
So basically we're mocking Irish and Australians in one. It's great, there goes our fan base. How long does it take for you to take off this chain anyway?
Oh, God, will you shut up?
Jesus Christ.
She's looking at me like, Dad, what's wrong? What am I going to do? Use the crack bar, sorry.
It's simple.
Oh yeah, it's something, yeah.
5, 6, 7,
did you
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Mr. Engine Cracker.
It's right there.
Why is one side easier than the other? Which way now?
This. These ones.
Yeah, I don't know which one do you go.
These ones.
Do you go? 13,
Have you opened these? 13, 14. Why is he leaving it? Do this on our own. It's pretty stupid, like.
Give it a thump. Away.
Oh, lads.
It's not excellent by any means.
Yeah, great.
They're way better than others, aren't they?
That doesn't fill me full of happiness, to be honest.
So number 5 was the worst.
Did you see
number
the-
6 leaked down as well.
Did you see the Pistons? They don't look beautiful by any means.
Yeah, they're good. A lot of carbon.
That's what I mean. How do you clean that? Do you notice he always says it'll be grand? Is it nice to hear your national anthem again? I said, is it nice to hear your national anthem again?
What national anthem?
Barra, 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 Barra.
Turn the engine
He's no sense of humour, way. You're there, man, make the videos, man. And then you try to make the video, you're like, no, man, no videos, man.
Yeah, but you're talking absolute bullshit.
I'm pretty sure it was making noises.
So go back to the credit union, get some money and put some piss and rods in it.
It was actually way better when you said the first time because
Sorry.
it sounded like I was going to the credit union to get pistons and rods. So we're back on the tread shed tonight. Painstaking work of removing something.
I'm a clue. You just gave me, a steady blade and said wreck the top of this block, right?
For record. You got the gasket in it, kid. Do you want to open it?
I'm just doing something now, mine.
Alright, sorry. It's working.
Yeah, of course. You're lovely, isn't it?
It's not.
It is lovely.
What have you got there? I said, what have you got there?
Got this head gasket that we got off Danny.
Danny Probert.
So
Danny drives a Ford Falcon with a Barra in it in Australia.
Put in a picture of it there or something.
I'm going to put a video in it here, look. So that was the video.
There's the video. Danny is after sending us overhead gasket because Charlie doesn't buy stuff that he needs, like just for spares. He just like last minutes everything, and there's actually someone sound enough and half mad enough to actually give him something from Australia instead of us being missing another round, which we'll probably miss anyway because something's gonna go wrong. Like
Don't say
again.
that. Don't say that.
So Danny sent us
Because he
this.
packed it pretty well, didn't he?
Yeah, Jack.
Danny from xdriftindustries in Australia.
There it is.
xdriftindustries in Australia. Good advertising there. Thanks, Dan. E. That's my
I'll be
sticker.
doing the
That's my sticker.
I'll be doing the openings here, so
All right, sir.
there's again.
Thanks, Danny. Say thanks, Danny.
Thank you, Danny.
Ooh.
Things nearly went bad there. Things nearly went bad again there. That probably wasn't the smartest thing to do.
Right. Be careful with that, please.
No, but we'll just get another one in the morning.
We can, yeah. We'll just get another one. thing and make a noise. Blub, 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 blub. Jeez, I hope it doesn't sound like that. Your body wouldn't be this clean, Chris.
Which means it wouldn't, it isn't.
Let's say we're good to go. Play. We'll just give it a... Okay, you take over there. Like,
Trying to hand, Chris.
I'm caught here.
He's caught.
What do you want me to do, brother?
Take the shirt off.
Where's the car?
You wipe the head again, you goof.
Dun, 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 dun.
Move back, like the head's in the way.
This is my call.
My name is Cathal, not Karen.
Oh, like a glove.
Okay, stop passing me the headlock. So.
Good work, Chris. Great work. You put them in an order of. You put them in an order of talking, or. It's a genuine question, like.
What do you mean?
It's pretty sweet. I went for David Brown chocolate. Bottom end. What do you think? Chris, you're not very fun tonight, you know.
Listen, I'm tired. What time is it now?
I'm tired too.
20 plus 1. Make 4 round 4.
yeah, let's pretend.
It's half in.
I said 11 o'clock.
You
so
did?
We're half an hour ahead.
We're half an hour ahead, which means we can.
You said at 11 o'clock with everything done, Chris.
No, 11
You said the car be running. You said the car be running by 11 o'clock.
Right there, you didn't say it, and I was just lying to her.
What are you doing?
But that's real. No, that filtered far away.
Stop Molly in the...
Stop cursing!
Stop Molly in the...
Ah, Jesus, lad! This whole episode is going to be. I thought Gary was bad. Good work, Chris.
No.
No, you crossed back.
Oh, Charlie, you did do that.
I did. Excuse your cheek.
No, you didn't.
Shut up, but he's like giving up to me again like a dad. So we had a busy night last night, putting all this back together. Thanks to Chris, the genius as always. Even though things got a little heated, but you get over that. So it pretty much went from this, and now it's to this, overnight. Thanks as well to Danny Probert, as I said, for sending over the head gasket so quick from Australia. I'm going to bolt on all the bits and bobs now, like the inlet, exhaust, gearbox, everything, take it away, bring it home and fit it this evening. And hopefully we'll be running by tonight and try and get to the dyno early next week. So by the time you see this, hopefully, fingers crossed, we will be lining up for practice in Punchestown. What do you think of the jacket on the engine? To keep it warm.
It's damp outside.
Oh, lads.
Right.
Oh, I thought it wouldn't tie down. Sis. Thanks to Gary here for the straps. Thanks, Gary. Oh, lads, you're the roughest man. So we're going to put that in there, Gar?
Yeah.
How's that make you feel?
Wonderful.
Hey, do you notice that you only ever come out in episodes where the engine is either going in or going out?
Yeah.
What's that about?
Because I am the superstar boy.
You're the superstar Barra professional engine remover.
Yeah.
Is that what you call yourself?
Unfitter.
What?
Unfitter.
Unfitter.
Making sure to mimic the
Whoa, whoa,
pressure, eh? We're actually sparring.
I'm going to get crushed.
I want.
My leg is gone. You're legally blind.
You can get the sump.
If I can get the belly go out, run away.
You can get the sump over or whatever now. We can't get no sling you can lift it with your teeth.
Yeah, get me a strap. Get me the strap.
It's getting serious.
Deadly serious.
So here is the 2019 DGX E36 with a Barra. Unfortunately, we didn't make round 4 in Punchestown, and we will not make round 5 in Jaffest either. The clutch decided to burn itself out on the dyno. So thanks to everyone for the effort. As you can see here, we got the engine in on time. We got everything done, but when we hit the dyno, the clutch burnt itself out with a power run. So I'm going to set my sights on some sort of championship next year in 2020, and we'll see what it holds. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed the episode.